Igbo ndị ma na-ege m ntị ekenekwa m ọnụ biko ama m na unu ya echete mgbe Okwuluora mee vidio si na n'ọbịa ụmụaka bebe mee fundraising for somebody akpọlịa mechi ihe na ha mecha the following day ha jije kpụrụ uncle da brother eji akaụntụ ya wee erezi ego for that young man. Okwuluora mechara ati ndị Imo steeti no South Africa pụtabawa na kwala tete na ya eme nka na Okwuluora ya na say a lot of people we are saying kicking up against those things na aba na Okwuluora nye Okwuluora blank chain oyekwu ego na analụ ha oyekwu oge na na-enye kwe bagide mbani na abasia. Okwuluora gị atara ata ọbụrụ abụ ndị mmadụ bịa mee gịnị bịa n'ụbalị ya ọgụ na-ekwunite na ndị ame gịnị na ha emetere ya. I made a statement. And then one commander na mara Igbo si n'Okapụta si yes na ha kpọrọ Okwuluora because na they feel suspected no informant call. So commander ịbịa kpọrọ Okwuluora isikwa na akpọ gị na phone si gị na eji mmadụ send gị foto ifu na Okwuluora still say ha si jide ka ha gba ka bịa confirm one Okwuluora. You said all those things na your voice note he send mmadụ si record wa ikucha those things si na gịnị mere Okwuluora na-atụ asị n'obodo gị deceive n'ọnụ nwa bụ gịnị n'unu bụ ndị freedom fighters mana Okwuluora made a statement ọ bụrụ na unu maara ihe unu ya na-akpụ n'ime Okwuluora made a statement atụ na ụmụazị ya na ka esi napụta ha ụdị egbe ụmụazị ya nwe in their position. Unu nwere ụdị egbe ahụ Fulani kana invade southeast why not to recruit your people mana ijikwa ọnụ gị mepe osi unu nwecha camp mana Enugu mana everywhere na ọ bụ na Okwuluora chọọ na ha unu ya ihe akpụnụ nwere eme nwoke ọla ebuli ya o eme ihe ọjọọ mana na abụrụ ndị ọjọọ. Why not to regroup yourself people around unu na-aga from forest to forest na Anigbai ọdịda ọnụ of the 5 states ka enwe na Anigbai Ebonyi Abia Anambra Imo and kewe ebe ọzọ Anambra Ebonyi Imo Abia Enugu ọnọsọsị aka enwe na Anigbai enwere ọbụ ọzọ ifo. Why not to regroup yourself kunu je mee gịnị mewe ihe dị mkpa ịpụta mepe voice note kwuchi okwu niile ikwucha. Then I made a statement agwa m gị I said it. You people open go on to danger. Open na-eme ihe why not me silently na kpu n'ime ụlọ. Enwere obodo niile nọ na Nigeria nwere their own ndị na-ejelu ha ozi. Can put you that when ndị na-ejelu ha ozi nọcha behind the scene that no way ha ya afụ akpọkanata obodo abịa nyụwa datin ịma nnọ dị pim. Ndị Imo steeti na-aba na Okwuluora na-eziga ya ka ọ bịa mekpa Imo steeti arụ people na-aba ma ndị nwa that commander ahụ dị very useless. Ị na-eme voice note n'ịnọ TikTok na ị nara ezo onwe gị ezo n'ịnọ nka na ị na-aba ime town eme nke ọzọ. Do you know the kind of danger you people open your people to because you want to defend the Okwuluora unu anara Okwuluora ego na n'ọnya nwanyị unu ego welele Okwuluora na-enye gị ego gịnị ka elu Okwuluora. Okwuluora si n'unu na ji ego niile dị na akaụntụ ya ị nọ na akaụntụ ya mmalụ na n'ọsọsọ ego ha bụ ihe dị n'idi ya a na-enye gị 400,000 nke gịnị ka unu ji ya eme. Okwuluora si ma ọgwụ agwala agwọ dị that place gịnị ka unu ji those things eme. Kịta invade go ụmụaka and nobody should blame Imo State government for this one because all nwa kpatara nkọ ahụhụ dị invade go ụmụaka so no nwezi enye be deceive na Igbo anyị now. Ọ bụrụ na unu mechiri ọnụ okwu ha daa ya in natural death ma ndị bloggers na-asị na Okwuluora na-atụ asị. Now what is happening? Ọ bụrụ na that commander ahụ ekwuru okwu enwe ka put ya na another propaganda osolu ikuku mee gịnị naanị ikuku nke ahụ ibie. Kita you people have opened your people to dangers. Mepe ndị obodo unu military invade go ụmụaka na kita na ndị nọ nwere ihe gbasa ha will have to pay for it because everybody na ụmụaka is now a suspect. If you can open your mouth in Onime town, in Aba town, in Agagali, Nunansu, Onyezi Buonye, who are those people that pick to Okwuluora, which means everybody assumes that's one. No one within the town, name me. Unu those sophisticated weapons and those ammunitions. So kedi ihe unu megine unu stop run dami ka ha megine ka dey invade na gbasi unu ndị mmadụ ọkụ. Gini ji unu, why can't you people do what is needful of you people? Hele megbukwa unu n'ọsọsọ Okwuluora ka unu bịa tọrọ onwe. Alasi n'obodo nọ in danger. Okwuluora the reason around n'obodo nọ in danger. People are crying, people are weeping. Onwere ịga na Okwuluora na onyere I willingly anọkwa m TikTok, anọ m social media, anyị ma fu post mmeje POS, I went to sleep. Okwuluora should post his bank statement. Does this sound in a sound ka onye maala ihe? In a sound kwa ka onye maala ihe bụ nwa Igbo ma ihe. Na the kind of danger opulu no ndị nọ na village now. Military invade go village unu. Piala mbala ka ha na-eme. Because everybody is a suspect. Everybody is a suspect. What then have you people done to the betterment of the people of your village? You bune wepụta na ani Igbo ya hijack ya yogo ihe ọzọ. You bune wepụta na ani Igbo ya baula hijack ya yogo ihe ọzọ. Unu si unu abụrụ ndị ọjọọ. Okay, what is then happening to ndị mmadụ? Mbosi aka eje na Anambra tọrọ nwatakịrị ụmụazị na-atọ dono na me forcefully entry to mmadụ na-abụ. I don't know that some nwanne dị na nwanne ya the boy egbuo ya. Nwana otu unu ga-akpaghalị n'ime ọhịa ahụ nọ na ana Igbo anyị na-akpaghalị na asị ukekwa na ime ọhịa ndị a dị safe. At least na-enwere ndị na-alụ ụdị ọlụ a. Ọsọsọ ịbịa oppress innocent people ka unu na-eme. Unu na oppress people, innocent people unu na-eme oppress. Unu na-eji nji ihe megbukwa unu. People should be ashamed of yourself. Unu nwe access to information, access to ihe unu eji ngwa ọlụ unu eji nwe lụọ ọlụ to betterment of the life of people. Chekwawa obodo unu ebe gọọmenti gbagago ichekwa obodo. Government are failing in their duty. Ihe so of unu nwe come together ka unu menwe ihe. Every security unit nọ na ndị Igbo form nọ na Igbo has failed an every Igbo man. Every security post in the Igbo form with themselves has failed average Igbo man. Unu hijack ya wele na oppressing them mother. Unu na-eme. You should have kept quiet Okwuluora no long way. Get what is those people in South Africa. Feeling she. They should visit those people and rebuild those houses for them. Open check. You people should go there and rebuild those houses. Rebuild businesses for people, give people hope to live again. If not, Umuaka will still turn to that ghost town, Okwuluora Kunobu. That is it. Only also did here. Ihele mebukwa unu na for this video. Ihele mebu unu, buru nkunu. Ihele sa una aro, ibu na akwa, ibu na agbada. Tfia kwa funibem.
My brother, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, Mr. Fineman, fine boy. Are you Mr. Franklin by name?
Yes.
Okay. There's someone that sent me your number. Let me speak my language. I'm Igbo guy. And when I send your line, and I would like this thing I'm telling you should be recorded. You can put it in record because it's important.
Okay.
Yeah. If you put it in record, you let me know. If your phone is being recorded, just let me know.
It's a good man.
Ask him, I'm like if I'm not going to keep here in record with reason.
Okay. No, let me record it now.
Okay.
Hold on, my brother.
Be recorded.
Okay, my brother. Yeah, I got it. That it's being recorded.
Okay.
Yeah. Ahame Mr. Fine Boy. That is what is it Omero or something like that? Is madam.
Okay.
Yeah. One of the commander. When I show you now, I won't find man. Not put in. If you understand what I'm saying.
Okay.
Yeah. Because this is what I'm hearing now. What on or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's why I wanted to debunk this now. I know how I got your line because I'm not going to contact Imo State.
Umaka, yes.
Yeah, so Umaka. Come direct to the point. The day, you know, there is security in this side. Everybody know that and we bet them in Nigeria.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
We bet them. This guy na Okwuluora Daruru Oeba Umuaka. Yeah, he came to Umuaka because when he came, Obu Hilos and our security is any security personnel Ibu Hilos about Oluku so tangible and Oluku somehow suspicious, you know.
Okay.
In the process, my boy is not coming that then when some Hilos will be this side. We're thinking that maybe all those people coming to attack, Abraham may attack. You know, but the Hilos on the information we're having is the only one is one Hilos. Master, but all that there one email attack. They can't easily use one Hilos. Then we'll use more. The Hilos when they come is a more tanker. I make a Hilos I will few, but a more tanker will be like 20, 30, or 15.
Okay.
That's okay. Maybe before another fire, I think I name innocent people. Something happened to them. That's okay. Let them first check very well. That whether mobile qualify. Okay. The information we have is that no one and not going standard. And I'm sure this guy, you know, after a hold with this guy, that's all Okwuluora by name, no moment to this. They say now forward the name for me. I'm say let me follow this guy online. I'm this guy. Happen here. After me more come matter more the person now. Okay, I waste like 30 minutes because what happened me? Abraham time. I wait like 30 or 35 minutes because all time too close. You know, boy, if you are saying a nigga, I'm going to take the conversation here. Yeah. You know, after everything, I conversation. I say, Mr. Okwuluora, like him, that's okay. One person you want you want that with one guy like that, but there are 3 number, yeah. Not all the guys here for like me guy. Yes, we talk very well. And when we hear if I'm fine, this guy, if I'm choga in this planet, whatever, because I'm 100% sure for this. I'm fine way to get your number. I'm how what it takes to get your number. Yeah, I was a mother magazine she ketana. That's me to go this guy again. You know, who this guy? Money which I may have address so much fine. Ma draw my boys, ma draw all those guys. And when he no I see Muhuji Mote and some of him phone. That's and some passports. Ma say ma go and say, wouldn't everything belong to this guy and hand this guy over? In my presence there, I didn't left. Ubu moto just park here.
Okay.
With a phone near. It's a 3 of my phone. 1 iPhone, Samsung, and 1 Redmi. So when they call young so one phone, and you only got also young so 2 phone here. Master also on young that's motor that is Takuma or something like that. One Takuma. Yeah. That's okay. Boone Hilos going to be so he also be. My also is a matter of say I'm going to what game anyone. I'm the one that said the man game anyone game anyone. Yeah, say master Igbo 1 bag of rice of an goal. This is what I is just him. Why who check in account here? I will actually do. Master no, me on that duress. No, my man. Equal and carry man or them. I can't try that rubbish. Or yes, I went to him. You're free to go. That's smoking. Okay, yeah, you John on the day. On a pana. Ngam sure give me 500,000 naira. Okay. Now, oh, it's not 500,000. I'm chocolate. Man, come on, no, even matter boom. If you matter one down him natural. Yes, so me phone. So give 500,000 naira. Master fine. And this talk the 500,000. Master okay. Ngam na hoku. Not so getting 500,000 naira. On your black money. Why may horse now win in the hammer hat? I'm a high test now. I'm auto now because we are into law here. Map my driver out. Reaching the next day. Now my boy I became hand like a same organ. Now who's the 400,000 naira at guy in Mass you dealing and Gakucha 100,000 naira. This is what I said. She's just like 100,000 naira 400,000 naira. That's okay. Alpha. Yes, only POS. Now who use 11,000 naira. That's only POS. Are you hearing me?
I'm not getting it. No POS is 11,000.
Yes, that's only POS. Now who use 11,000 naira? Deal with what put there. I must say okay, fine. 11,000 charges got too much. Yes, now my say go na Azea. So this is what that my boy told me. Yeah, you know it's me 300 and 89,000. If I present I got such money. No. I use my own money, make it 11,000, I complete it on 400,000 naira. Even on my inside, we now have some costs that we have some expenses reaching almost 1.5 million naira game expenses. And I called my boss, okay, to help me transfer 1.1 million. Can make go this guy in 400,000 naira. Can just solve that problem in your name. I'm gonna send them the money. Maybe they go, this guy in a rubbish with 400,000. But what I wanted to let you know is that now this guy, what he told me in face, not game is 500,000 naira. But to prove this thing, not to me find out the POS made this thing now. Come here, let me print alarm out. Let me confirm what this guy is saying. And I print it out. I'm a talk away. Maybe I will send you my WhatsApp number. Send this for you. And this is okay. My old kidnapper. Nye moto ye. Nye phone ye. When you kidnapper, you catch you me or why should this guy I'm or inside the barrack or whatever or inside camp? This guy I don't know so here, man. He may be a hall. People crowd is there. I don't know bad. Umaka also. Don't say Umaka how will a ghost stand. A little bit more a ghost stand. People are moving. People know us. I know they hide my face. Okay, my way kidnapper. Share my TikTok account. Share my WhatsApp account. Share my WhatsApp number. When you also say, Mas okay, I am number. I am number. So far that I'm calling this guy, it's not picking my call. And I will make a video with name here. Even okay, after this thing now. Maybe if I have the WhatsApp number, when I'm making the video, I'll call you. I collected the okay, my way kidnapper. Naya number. Yeah, lawa. Here this guy got lachi back. Says, "Umaka will go stand. No, but they be kidnapped. Why? Oh, what's all this guy now? 500,000 naira cost tendre. Ala me give them. But yeah, 500,000. Yeah, maybe alomwaka got to okay, I'm trying to call it a security network in Enugu State. The information will only Enugu, but my boss didn't have to go there. Let's find this thing finished. If I wanted to call my people.
Okay, my brother, I want to go do kita can from your part. Imana that Okwuluora bo my friend and here meaning Meteo Yobo. Yeah, but the third time now. Na apota Okwuluora ko help umaka. Yeah, many fundraising. My brother, I hardly I'm an Aka son, but I hardly come home.
Yeah.
And I love that community to a point that now I'm a blogger.
I know.
Franklin. During the time Abago, but all on a page, or cannot dear. He just type Franklin. He got for that now. A promote to give them over festival and the Madana demo. Culture behenka. So to tell you how much I love my village. And Obuna I will not promote my cash. I get not what fundraising. You understand? Now, I can't wait you that now. Some people be safe, how they are there. We are that was in the night. Ka ima onye du promadi ije. All na oge edu ahag de rugal. So I was worried because I was on Facebook now I share that live broadcast. So when Okwuluora put it online, I wanted to call Okwuluora. Who's Hagishi because they're supposed to sleep in on that day. Was a number adaga. So Kenji woman the worry na gari. I gotta give them here with my friend or some that said that my mommy is the number Okwuluora, my friend age that gaga. That's okay, I'm come so on the attack maybe 8 or 9 o'clock thereabout. If I'm not mistaken. What a message from him that he was kidnapped.
Okay, wait. If kidnap or kidnap Okwuluora, call.
Okay, now again, I watch your post in the screenshot of my conversation. I'm a very transparent somebody.
Yeah.
Do you understand me? And I do mark for that now. The chat of where Okwuluora told me that he was kidnapped, I posted it.
Yeah.
Do you understand me?
Yeah.
So to tell you that I was just worried about him. I don't know the situation. I'm not the kidnapper, but if I go to bro mother, only if somewhere, go get that na a kidnap. My brother, you know that you never feel okay.
Yeah.
You understand me?
My brother, my brother.
So if you have program,
How am I again? Okay, Okwuluora is not being kidnapped.
Okay.
Okwuluora is not being kidnapped. We saw Okwuluora.
Okay.
Oh yeah. I personally introduced myself. Who am I to Okwuluora?
Okay.
Just send this year my my way a kidnapper. Share my TikTok account. Okay. After when I met you will see same number. Map. For a kidnapper Okwuluora that they release it that day. Hey, check you no winning. Who are where say I'm winning? He gave me nine. Oh, Munegale. Now, I am. Yes, we talk, but what you do, man, and one play do. Now, we're sharp on a many million a day. I have got close to me. Young with Mamu this video when you watch him a mokurie. The next day, I now can pick one that guy out of the streets. Smart one now has that guy. Come to that guy, say, because he was there. Because that's one of my boys. Say, my boy, say, now I'm one guy matter in here there. You put your mark. On the way going, yeah, one this guy and I will to the movie. I make video call with that guy. Say, I'm going to I make my yaja. This guy, my fault that my boy. This video, that guy watch. Hey, who and had them. If I who John no, she okay 500,000. Now who John no, so they must say a little. I'm not sure they go no money. Also, I know that's I want to make content creator. But what only is the fund? I want to get is my fund. Gaga, not up town. She know 500,000 na Okwuluora. He may promise again. Okay, a shop in the about me. National. Oh, you're just again.
One the I'm going to choke.
Every moment to bring me out with him. You can get that guy top that in him wagon. May buy senior. Every night a bullshit. Yeah. Autumn has my freedom. Maripanda here.
Okay.
I'm not telling you. Check his name and define the way to get your number because I'm the comment he make and then one get to make it. Actually, one game not one goes something that it trash that's your cool. I took one way come on at the get quick. That's how everything is. Imran of my one because Imana as I call a guru. Do you understand me? I call a guru. You know there because Okwuluora get to bank na yaga print Igboland na that day na that also tax test ya yaga print na up tax le pe go le print account that day.
You were God.
Oh ya kokwalu nde na ego drama nde ona mu ego. That guy do ya ha tatula ha ego. Enwe ozo no ya sha fine. But okay ma kipo Okwuluora ju enwe he mere nde na ego. Why can't okay do one send that your people or with that we ayoma or why am je do nde Okwuluora to lego. Nde na ego. Nda o shi na hu nde na 5 naira chawa. One machine no kura ku geweji okwu nwo onye na 5 even Okwuluora chineke biko why Okwuluora oga am not happy with Okwuluora aga dey there even ahụ mo so nkwa go ku with something let him go so nkwa that he not washi o na ego ni no nwere
ihe no dey bụ Okwuluora biko ọ na enwe ebe o mejo biko anmas gị biko gbara biko
my brother ebo mejoro let me be honest with you my brother ebo mejoro na awo dan na we use ụmụaka how all a good stand came to mark whatever them woman go stand jokwa na side be hum nume jokwa le go let me just I want to hit a point for you because I'm saying you get it online joya Igboland na that day ya ga bank na or ya take a phone ya wote the alert you what ya joya Igboland na that day upon that na joya ele ebe ya hu nume you to go melo bia now to bring that thing down we ke weziokwu no ya jakashi oge in that 500,000 naira. This is only my own. This is only my problem. If not, even if we got our freedom tomorrow, I will still put it on my boss table. I really mean it. Or what I be propaganda, everything will not even trash it. And I get the bunker, but I won't now. Social media, I'm sharing everybody being social media. I have contact, same with contact creators, same with many people. I have connections.
Because calm down. Can get you by your okay, ọ dịrọ mma ote iwe na-ewe gị kịta na aghọtago m because ọ dị m ka maybe iwe na-ewe gị based on that na ihe okwu abụrụ ihe meenụ and ya na onwe ekwe ịma na abịa m at a point abịa m dị confused ma mgbe a sị na kidnap at a point I called him for the second time say nwanne ka ebe pikiri gị ihe a ọ repeat kwe that na he was kidnapped in ụmụaka which I was a little bit confused even to a point ọsịkwa m that na that guy one Charlie I think Charlie that now they also came and pick him. You watch I didn't post that thing again.
You know wakashi mi line kidnapping na ya go dey mo fun. Na say kidnap from man. maybe go yang motie ni all him belongings na go men
takuma na wa ihe ogwa maybe na kita ka nghọta you ma ihe ndisi ga akọrọ egero okwu na agwa m kita na I'm very very happy matter how happy I am because sometimes on abu ịchọ inweta the fact a balance ya the thing and okwu na-ekwu kita na I'm picking it and for the fact na in the pick here I will talk to him. I want nobody has monopoly of wisdom. One on here.
Guy nazo, guy na Juwayo happen. If you happen, Juwan there must be all those presidents so be. Because there was everything happen in the present.
Okay.
On you make so just for all friend there near Maya cool that Saga Kezoku. Play this my voice. The joke got put in share. Because all of them are there when this thing happen. Also now we have everyone who show go. Okwuluora back on a barrack or you have any camp or anything. Oga. Him talk on one there. That only that place, or they are opening a hall, one hall on Nako there, because all my driver come here at the hall there. And okay, every people are there, no, you're about to people is there. Omaka was a go samba.
Buto, Imana, Buto, I will talk to him, Buto, you were guarding Noko, Imana, sometimes one. Or you can mad out of anger, say, but I will go maybe you have a point, Puto. I will talk to him and
about that. To be honest with you, Okwuluora that government are got to criticize Umwaka and to Laisha one them. Let me be honest with you. That's what I was having now. Okay, kidnap wagon. You do speak to pay. I couldn't hey. My God, I will matter. I take him again. What a speech, madam.
And even more when my family are to come more things. Where I go again. A lot of people, because of this, they're very, very angry with Okwuluora. Monday, themselves, broke the anger, transfer away to me.
If we don't divorce him with I say one guy, it's already a long one, so place in Hagabia because of whom maybe a long mark. I don't want to show you saying no small land. More than the air to pursue that guy, and that guy something must happen to that guy. Until ya be put on social media and be beg ya, I swear to God. Always see me that guy, I'm ashamed to cook Abiama.
Biko Buto. Buta yoka na yogi Biko. Eke ba den.
My brother, if you talk to Okwuluora, him me come now, enye me 1 week. Ya, ola mo Okwuluora, boy ya do no me asia ku nke eziokwu. Ya bia deform for this thing. I'm about on Fibo call woo, but yo, baka about Fibo. And where be him again?
Because actually you could take on that ground just bara Biko. Bara. Me no kukron Biko bara. Bara Biko. Biko one bara. Don't do anything to harm him, just bara because I'm no kitana only a lot of enemies. I've also from Umaka. From Umaka because they may no one at all. Young
enemy, I can enemy because young enemy. Let somebody who do me for one leg or up or say, or one young men introducing them. Then he became not easy. Yeah, me born I took 500,000 500,000 I would for and this na 400 na okukwe na video na akore na video nge okukwe na nwere emi akụmọ ya ihe ndị akụ asịgị owu kidnapper him that head na na emu nye fugademofo ọ bụ sho kidnapper nwanne before you kumede a ga-ekeriri keche ya gude gbogbo this guy na say na ho ya say ebiko emechi anya arịga ya enemy arịga ha ma gba we look at
buko gbara biko nwanne gbara ayo kan yo ichokwa nsekpuru ala yo biko gbara
only thing my brother enweghị mụ abụle n'obi ihe omike ime nwere agwa David ahụ ya kwuo eziokwu. This is my own concern. Ya kwuo eziokwu ya mekwe nke ọsọnkwa kwuge that thing ọsọnkwa wee ụmụ ha sonwe yes if you don't mind ọsọnkwa the videos ndo post ihe ndị Fulani ime kekaga ọmụnwa but ọmasho eji post eji WhatsApp number na post but ọmasho ọmụnwa don't all this some of all those things ọmụnwa video ge e send again na but ọmasho ọmụnwa because ihe ọma de ihe ọbawo ihe ọjọọ na ademe mma. You know what Fulani are doing. I'm fine. Now, in my na get one job. But as far as I'm concerned, I will not allow something to happen.
For the fact that Igbo coach ready, I will talk to Okwuluora.
Okay, if you know Ghana also, call that thing. Ghana also do Umwaka. Umwaka the whole entire Umwaka. The minute I look at that, kidnapping Umwaka or look at a single Madufuru, you can pack your machines. We are here. You can pack your machine. You give a machine. Your machine is there. But all that place is not like that. I swear to God. Ogaga maybe case or some power. We just park your machine okay. When we keep and we want to make puye. Fear no they catch that person. Even we umaka back in the umaka we can actually make a bit bad. But now umaka change. I swear to God.
I work with my idea and the man has got confidence in the way back. Madam na you are going to give yourself the blame. That they won't hold them no marker. And that's my brother. Okay, all who knows Shibia. Ele more laga, who shows on la. Yet to give shows up, but I wipe my brother, Okwuluora have paid to government, Nangarage. Also, sacrifice that, Corpota, that is size so much maybe a long work. One was on wagon. Okwuluora have paid, Yabba one D. Biko, man. I'm any go, because maybe I will be shown work. I will talk to Okwuluora. But because I told him he had more because I know all my brother call about because we are talking and because more one step I don't come at a point to just talk and then when then I said Mbato Maka gave Bumage make it. My brother not crazy here boom my offense one and in there. Because everybody when I live because help for Mukai what my I don't want problem. The only thing in the market we home. Yeah. What I didn't let you mark in Hojo. He have brought the first time myself. This girl I'm not Otubia almost Okwuluora and may fundraising. No market say farmer. Almost connect to Okwuluora say because I help on market Otubia. Also say that guy Nana Egi to trap or because when somebody make us now we are human beings. When that will go down my fast na the account. Okwuluora points come to hit again now. Points him hit again. All the serious. Do I say this guy had to Lego? One year. Do I say when they na like Lego? Okwuluora say ego and then nage. Let's yap we ego colony. I'm a send like today I will break at a time. Draw a POS email that 10. You the receipt. I will forward it for you. Let's be honest. I will find way get your WhatsApp number. If it is a WhatsApp number, or you can make it a WhatsApp number. I add that with my international line. Send that again. See it. I'm I will try my possible best. I'm not to the because my life was telling me. My brother, also when they mean when they mean oh, you better get maybe share from man. It's okay. You go? And more than one going to be protest, and I don't want to be involved. What do you my brother, I watch what he said. I will always be online steady. I fine boy will always be online. They don't know about that. They don't fine boy. I'm face to face. I'm the fine boy. I'm saying making all much time. Yeah, God created me. Why was that fine? Oh, you don't actually all got them. The guy is too fresh. Yeah, more. All my way to better my commander home better. Actually, the child here in them dress. And when he goes on, I guess him back. He's super. Oh, one my plunge and willing to give me no munegi. Okay. Oh, more I get a definition. Oh, going to see now one fine guy. One guy, how much some man I oh, more. No, if you don't watch, one fine guy, one of the commander. I say, child in the army. Look at. Look what I don't need to get. It's okay, my brother. Don't worry. I just come. When I call, I'll hold your line. And when I called you, I asked you whether is your WhatsApp number. My gabaria for that game in the POS. I'm not how many, but I'm top of that today. I'll be sure taking all my time. I will bring it and forward you the account. My gamma saying 500,000 could be more washing away shoku. It's okay. 500,000 I go to and that's back here. Volunteer. Not force. Could you say about all this but log or about millions of naira? I want to tell you, I want to tell you, they go back. No, Allah. On a chicken in any way. I thought you put on out of anger. All willingly go down one name back. I don't know okay, and I'm getting 500,000. I saw he gets almost a must thank you, Nebaliala. It's a big fun. Makai even 500,000 and he should get a must Baliala. Thank you, almost 3 times. Thank you. Matter the move. My boy, I'm not on your number. Must okay, man, I say a number. And I'm a send like I'm a made video. Even okay, it's not picking my call. Get confirm my home. And I'm a number. My will it's over 4 days that be calling this guy.
Don't pick my call. Come draw your face to face. And that one I want to make boy put a record and draw your face to face. Okwuluora. Ele mo na gipuru. Oh yeah, to me him ko tore MG mo cha again phone. But don't let him know that I wanted to put it in record. Don't shake it again record ke no olumi. Ka on ko olumi ma ndu ase nya. Ego le ka inde nyene gi. What happened? Go join ya kuwe ma for do alage.
I'll try to calm the situation because Buto.
Okay, my brother.
About you when I work Buto. And then that happened more about no market. One now I'm about there alone.
Manumo. I want to touch my mother outside. Don't about that ZB or such my baby. Look at one young gun.
Because I come a wipe all my name. I want to have on a bad record because
no. My brother, see, I swear to God, and when question on a bad record or whatever, and I watch him here. When we make anything bad to my brother. And what he wants is our freedom, nothing else.
Okay.
Even though you or him that booking him, okay, look at this side. He said, I kidnap man, stay the ban. After everything, now I was friends, 11 months only. Now I was friends, stopped all those things. Villagers are happy. Oh, Maka, you go to do Maka, and when you shall look at and when you see kidnapping, no Maka. Oh, you got to go say, but on all other places on him. Other places on them, after we have yeah, I'm sure I for Joe. And you may home before I got for Joe. When my son Carlo, you may get about freedom here. Well, leader, yeah. I will get bad number now. Everybody my home again.
Oh, you
people are here. I got your job because you're benefiting that bad thing. On they get benefiting that bad thing when they get criticized, my good thing somebody make.
It's true. It's true. I'll try to reach him because calm or down. I talk about I got more for long because I just like I call to Kennedy.
And when you need that Okwuluora say the truth and your truth will only thing set you free. This is what I want.
I'll talk to him.
Okay, my brother. Yeah, bring it up to the woman down. Go and case open. A woman can I can that means also that him don't make him mesh. Also make him Chukutoriji and Aboyo to let Chukuti and maybe Okwuluora him don't name. Yakweke is going when you be neko. Kidnap Ikurugi. Now unlike Humotogi on Funugi or Fungi or Mega but now you're going to get up. Or showing up my people in the game and for your family. Hey, Chineke me. And if I had the release that day, Drew Peggy to Paga side, and short name Gashi or no Macacomelegi, or what I know Comegi, or back Comegi, a Drew to Paga side main road. Gashpa bye. Kidnap and I'm going to be more. Nah, Chineke Okwuluora.
One out, maybe I also go me your angle. Maybe wait for the work because come on down, because I will talk. Munega. Human being. Just when you walk one, what more?
My brother, na call Balaga.
One who does it. Of course,
I did.